Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to trim in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Trimming in Adobe Express allows you to shorten or adjust the duration of elements here inside your project. Once you are logged in to your account, I want you to click the design or project that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section wherein you can browse thousands of amazing and inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click this button. Now, I'm going to start trimming here for my design that I am working. So you have two options, all right? So if you want to trim the photo to a length that you wanted, you can do that, all right? You can trim this, and trim it all the way that you wanted, all right? So that's one way for you to be able to trim images and of course elements. For example, this one right here. Going to add an element right here, all right? Say say for example a ship. If you want to trim this, all you're gonna do is simple, same process with the what we had earlier. All right, so these are going to be some of the options for to trim elements and images. Now for video though, for text, it's also the same thing. All I'm gonna do is click this, drag. You see, you are trimming the space and the size, right? So they will fit. For the video, for you to be able to trim it, you might want to click the edit timeline here. Now, one way for you to trim a video is basically, you see this slide, you can drag it all the way. It originally runs from 25 seconds. You can trim it all the way to half, like 10 seconds. That's one way. Or if you want, you can simply press the S on your keyboard and click the split section so you can trim it to different scenes, all right? Like this one right here. You have now multiple options to split, all right? So that's one way. That's another way for you to trim videos. And of course, if you wanted to add an audio here, for example, the afternoon blues, and if you want to trim this as well, you have an option to split, similarly to the video. And of course, you can also use the slider to split the audio into half or trim the video into half. If it originally runs around 20 seconds, you might want to trim down at least going to 10 or 6 seconds. All right, so these are some of the options for you to be able to trim here, be it an element like photo or text, or an element or video or an audio here in Adobe Express. Because the idea is you might want to trim or cut out unnecessary or relevant parts of the elements to keep the content focused and engaging, right? For example, you wanted to remove or trim the pauses, mistakes, or off topics right here. You can trim videos to meet the seconds required for your social media channels like TikTok or Instagram stories. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.